Welcome, wanderer. Tonight, the wandering neuron invites you to drift beyond the familiar skies, beyond the moon, beyond Mars, until you arrive at a world so enormous, so ancient, so powerful that the entire solar system quietly bends to its presence. A world that has shaped comets, protected Earth, ignited myths, and held secrets for billions of years. Tonight, you'll float beside Jupiter, the king of planets. Let your shoulders relax, your breathing soften, and your mind loosen its grip on the noise of the day. Because as you listen, you'll discover why Jupiter isn't just a planet, it's the solar system's guardian, architect, and storyteller. And as always, I'll guide you gently, step by step, deeper into calm and deeper into wonder. Imagine drifting in the quiet darkness of space. And then, slowly, something enormous begins to glow ahead of you. A striped sphere so wide that 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter doesn't just appear, it arrives, like a living sunrise in the blackness. Its swirling clouds stretch farther than entire continents. Its storms could swallow planets whole, and its magnetic field hums with ancient power. But here, from this peaceful distance, Jupiter feels gentle, soft, almost like a giant sleeping beneath blankets of clouds. This is your first hook. How can something so large, so stormy, feel so calm from here? Hold that question gently. We'll return to it. For now, breathe in slowly. Let your exhale match the rhythm of Jupiter's slow rotation. Every 10 hours, this massive world completes a full spin, faster than any planet its size should be able to do. It turns like a cosmic dancer, ancient but graceful. And as you float near its horizon, you begin to understand why ancient astronomers thought Jupiter was divine. It doesn't just orbit the sun, it rules. To understand Jupiter, you must drift backward in time, 4.5 billion years, to the moment our solar system began as a swirling, shimmering cloud. In that cloud, Jupiter was the first world to form, the oldest child of the sun, the first to gather mass, gas, ice, dust. It grew so fast that for a brief moment in cosmic history, it almost became a second star. This is your next hook. If Jupiter had grown just a little bigger, we would have lived in a two-sun solar system. But Jupiter stopped, right on the edge between planet and star. And in that balance, a new role emerged, a protector. During the early days, asteroids and frozen boulders hurtled across the solar system like wild sparks. But Jupiter's gravity, stronger than you can imagine, pulled many of them away from Earth. Without Jupiter's massive presence, life on Earth may never have survived long enough to begin. So, as you drift near its glowing clouds, it feels less like a stormy giant and more like a silent guardian. You move closer now, slowly descending toward Jupiter's upper atmosphere. But don't worry, you're safe. This is a guided dream through science. Jupiter has no solid ground. What looks like a surface is only the top of endless drifting clouds. The lightest ones, made of ammonia crystals, shine like soft ribbons of cream and white. Below them, darker clouds of water vapor move in gentle bands. Each stripe you see across Jupiter's face is a river of wind thousands of kilometers wide, circling the planet at incredible speeds. But yet from where you float, they look slow, hypnotic, like brushstrokes on an ancient painting. You notice storms, not just the Great Red Spot, but smaller storms that swirl like quiet whirlpools. They form, fade, return again, like waves of a cosmic ocean. Your mind begins to follow their movement, slowing your thoughts, settling them, drawing you deeper into peace. And here's another hook to keep your thoughts curious softly. Scientists still don't know exactly what lies at Jupiter's core: solid rock, liquid metal, or something stranger. You'll discover that soon, but for now, let yourself drift, held by the calm power of this giant world. Now, drifting closer, you notice a swirling storm, a vast, ancient swirl of crimson and gold, the Great Red Spot. It's been moving for centuries, never fading, never stopping, a reminder of Jupiter's enduring majesty. Imagine it not as violent, but as a slow dance, spiraling gracefully, hypnotically. As you watch, feel your own thoughts slow, like the clouds, like the wind, everything in your mind flowing gently. The storm hums its cosmic song, a lullaby of swirling energy guiding your breathing deeper, in and out. Even as it rages, there is calm in its rhythm. Jupiter teaches us that strength does not have to disturb peace. It can exist quietly, endlessly, patiently. Beyond the clouds, Jupiter stretches invisible arms far into space, its magnetic field enormous, protective. It shields its moons, tames solar winds, and shapes cosmic particles. Imagine yourself floating in this invisible shield, safe, cradled, protected by the power of a planet that is vast beyond imagination. Let this knowledge sink into your mind slowly, soothingly. You are small, yet held, weightless, yet secure, drifting on Jupiter's gentle cosmic breath. As your body relaxes, your mind can wander freely, exploring moons, storms, rings, all without effort, all while resting deeply. Look closely, and you might see Jupiter's faint rings, thin, delicate, almost whisper-like, composed of dust and tiny rocks circling softly in silent elegance. Even the smallest wonders matter. Even the tiniest particles in Jupiter's orbit have a place in this grand, majestic world. Let this thought wash over you, that every detail of the universe is part of a larger, harmonious rhythm. Your mind drifts along the rings, along moons, along swirling clouds, every movement gentle, peaceful, hypnotic, and with every breath you feel calmer, heavier, more ready to slip into the embrace of deep, cosmic sleep. Drifting further, your gaze falls upon Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, the Galilean moons, each circling Jupiter in a silent, mesmerizing ballet. Io's fiery volcanoes glow faintly, a gentle reminder that even in fire there is rhythm. Europa's icy surface reflects starlight, serene and unbroken, promising mysteries beneath. Ganymede, largest of them all, slowly rotates, a quiet giant in orbit. Callisto, scarred and ancient, whispers the stories of billions of years gone by. Feel yourself floating among them. Their motions are steady, comforting, like a soft heartbeat of the universe itself. As you watch, your own heartbeat sinks, calm, regular, slow, drifting ever deeper. The moons remind us each part of the universe, no matter how small or far away, has its place, its purpose, its gentle, hypnotic rhythm. Now, notice the layers of Jupiter's clouds: ammonia, water, and mysterious compounds, each drifting in endless bands. Imagine yourself floating just above them, the winds barely brushing past, soft as a whisper. Feel the texture of the clouds in your mind, creamy, flowing, endless.
Listen to the soundless song of gases moving in harmony, a cosmic meditation. The colors shift slowly: white, amber, rust, patterns forming and dissolving like dreams in your mind. With every breath, let the clouds carry away tension, anxiety, restlessness. You are weightless. You are safe. You are drifting deeper into gentle slumber. Even as Jupiter's gravity, immense and powerful, feels gentle from this distance, it holds the planet's moons, its rings, its storms, yet everything moves with grace. Feel yourself gently drawn, not forcefully, but with the soft assurance of order in the universe. Imagine your thoughts, your worries, slowly orbiting around you like moons, each finding its proper path, each calming in its own way. Jupiter's silent power reminds you, strength can be soft, control can be calm, and in this vast, peaceful expanse, you can let go, completely, floating deeper, drifting closer to sleep. Deep within Jupiter's clouds, hidden from the naked eye, lightning dances. It flashes briefly, but never disturbs the serene flow above. Imagine it as a gentle spark, illuminating the swirling gases for just a moment, then disappearing, leaving the calm untouched. Your mind follows this rhythm. Small sparks of thought appear, then fade, leaving only calm. Deep calm. Look again at the bands of clouds. Soft creams, warm browns, and faint reds swirl endlessly, a living painting stretching across a giant world. Let your imagination trace the lines, following the curves, drifting with the flow. Notice how no two patterns are exactly alike, yet all work together in harmony. The planet moves slowly, effortlessly, teaching us that time itself can be gentle, that even the largest, most powerful forces of nature can soothe rather than overwhelm. Jupiter has existed for over 4.5 billion years. It has seen planets form, storms rage, moons dance, and comets pass by. As you float above it, imagine carrying some of that timeless patience within yourself. Your worries shrink, your thoughts quiet, your mind settling into the eternal rhythm of the cosmos. Drifting through time, weightless, safe, feeling the wisdom of the universe wrap around you. And now, as you sink deeper into sleep, know that you are part of this endless, gentle flow, the heartbeat of Jupiter echoing softly in your dreams. Jupiter is not just storms and moons, it has rings, thin and delicate, almost like whispers in the dark. Unlike Saturn's bright bands, these rings are subtle, composed of tiny dust particles that circle silently. Imagine yourself floating just above them, watching them glimmer faintly in the starlight. They remind us that even the smallest, quietest details hold beauty. Even the faintest aspects of life can have significance, elegance, and a gentle rhythm. Beyond the Galilean moons, there are dozens more, tiny, often overlooked moons, each moving quietly in its orbit. Some are no larger than a city, others irregular, shaped by collisions long ago. Yet all contribute to the balance of this vast world, each playing its role in the cosmic dance. Feel your mind mirror this scene. Even small thoughts, small moments can find their place, moving with harmony, without rush, without strain. You are part of a larger pattern, safe, secure, flowing with the rhythm of Jupiter and the cosmos.